Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from Arita Ladasas. Why was my wife's Social Security going through the railroad? She retired in 2014 at 75 years old, and I am 74 with 20 years of railroad service, right? So the point is, it went through the Railroad Retirement Board because your wife is entitled to a Railroad Retirement Spousal Annuity. Therefore, all the benefits of the spouse, even though she didn't work for the railroad, goes through the Railroad Retirement Board, right? So she's entitled to Spousal Tier 2, which is exclusive of the Railroad Retirement Board. So everything flows through there. And even she might be claiming her own Social Security benefit, that's still all going to go through the Railroad Retirement Board. Check out my video, How a High-Earning Spouse Affects Your Railroad Retirement, and that will go through a lot of those issues. So I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to shoot me questions. I'll shoot a video on them. Until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.